Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 14.1 from Practical Geometry 6th class NCERT. Question number 5. Let A, B be the centers of two circles of equal radii. Draw them so that each one of them passes through the center of the other. Let them intersect at C and D. Examine whether AB bar and CD bar are at right angles. So here we have to do, first of all, we have to know the question perfectly. So here AB be the centers of two circles. So A is the center of the circle, B is the another center of the circle. But here one thing, with equal radii they said. So A is the center of the circle with the same. If you take A is equal to x radii, so B is equal to x radii. It means AB is equal to A equal to B equal to x radius is same. At this point we get two circles of equal radii with the centers of A and B respectively. So we have to draw that. So here if you take a rough sketch here, see I am taking A and B with some measurement like A, B with 4 centimeters. Okay. Now, why I am drawing? Because of A radii what we have, B radii is that also. So I am doing here, AB is getting same. So this x is equal to 4 centimeters. Now, by using A, take a compass and draw a circle like this. Okay. Next, from B, we have to draw a circle like this. Okay. So each of the passes through the center of the other. So see, if you take A as a point, it passes through B. If you take the circle as the center of B, it passes through A. So that's what they said. Next, let them intersect at C and D. So here is the one intersecting point and here is the another intersecting point. So this is C and this is D. If you are interested, this is C and this is the D, that is also fine. Next, examine whether AB bar, it means AB is a line segment, right? And CD bar, if you draw, these two are CD bar, are right angles. So, here these are right angles or not? That is the question they are asking. We have to examine those are right angles or not. This is the question we have to find the answer through the geometrical figure. So, let's start. Answer here. This is only rough sketch. So let's take AB bar is equal to 4 centimeters as per our rough sketch. Okay. Now take the scale and I am drawing, this is 4 centimeters and this is 0. It means 0 to 4. This is called A and this is called B with 4 centimeters. Now this is point A, this is point B. Take the compass with this. So this is B. Now I am drawing, see, with the center of circle A. Okay. So see. Next, similarly with from B as a center of the circle, I am drawing another circle like this. Now see, we got up to here. Let them intersect at C and D. So I am taking as per rough sketch, this is as C and this is as D. Examine whether AB bar and CD bar at right angles. Now I am drawing a line through the AB bar. So this is CD bar. So this is, it means this is AB bar and this is CD bar. Now AB bar and CD bar at right angles. So this is right angle or not, we have to measure. See, taking compass and putting this at this. Yes, exactly, these are right angles. See, without any disturbance, I am showing again you. This is also 90 degrees. Next, this is also 90 degrees. So see, these two are right angles. Therefore, AB bar, CD bar are at right angles. So this is about this session. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on comment section. Please click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.